22.5 bricks on this sample. Good. The rack data aligns perfectly.
Optimal maturity confirmed. The readiness indicators are solid green.
Acknowledged. Logging the harvest authorization now. The window is locked.
Readings verified. Send it through.
The sugarcane is then conveyed to a preliminary cleaning and trimming station. Excess outer leaves are selectively trimmed. Automated sensors scan each batch for moisture content and surface integrity. Data from the vertical farm is cross-referenced. Washed cane transfers onto a dewatering conveyor, where excess surface water drains away natural. No heat or air.
Cane stalks are fed into the first stage cutter, where rotating knives begin them into shorter lengths. The segmented cane advances into high-speed shredders equipped with interlocking blades. These blades tear the segment.
The consistency is holding steady at 85% moisture.
Good, the extraction rate should be optimal then.
The partially crushed fiber moves into subsequent roller mills for repeated compression. Each pass extracts a
The screen juice collects in stainless holding tanks, where flow stabilizes before clarification.
Separation efficiency confirmed, moisture is low.
Yes, looks good. I'll log it.
The raw sugarcane juice is pumped from the holding tanks into a heat exchange system designed to gently raise its temperature.
We are steady at 11.2 pH. Confirmed. The flocks are forming well.
The limed juice flows into large clarification tanks with slow-moving internal paddles. Gentle.
Look at the clarity at the top layer. I'm logging the data now. The process is stable.
Clarified juice is drawn off from the upper portion of the tank through channels. The settled impurities, now called mud, are removed from the bottom of the clarifier. The mud is thick. The clarified juice passes through fine polishing filters to remove any remaining microscopic particles. After filtration, the juice enters a secondary heating stage to prepare it for evaporation. The partially concentrated juice moves sequentially through additional evaporator bodies.
Bricks level is approaching target, 64.5%. Looks good. Looks good. We've hit 65.
Fully concentrated syrup exits the final evaporator body and enters insulated transfer lines. Heat retention prevents
Pressure is spiking, see that? I'm on it, turning the valve now.
As boiling continues, sucrose molecules attach progressively to growing crystals.
Looks consistent. Moisture content is dropping as expected.
Yeah, the target size is holding steady.
Once target crystal size is reached, boiling is stopped and the massicrete is discharged. Valves open to release the thick mixture into receiving vessels.
The massicrete is fed into high-speed centrifuges for separation. The equipment spins rapidly, generating strong centrifugal forces.
A controlled wash of hot water or steam is applied inside the centrifuge to remove residual molasses.
Centrifugation continues. Dried sugar exits the drum into a cooling section, where ambient air reduces temperature gradually. Cooling prevents...
The cooled sugar passes through vibrating screens to classify crystal size. Oversized crystals are separated for...
The crystals enter a gentle polishing drum, where low-friction contact smooths rough edges created during centrifugation.
Polyzed sugar exits the drum and passes through air classifiers that remove remaining fine particles.
Silo 5 levels, holding steady.
Auger rotation looks good, no compaction.
Chemical analysis confirms sucrose purity. Conductivity tests validate refining effectiveness. Results are logged and the batch receives provisional approval.
Microbiological testing is performed on representative samples to ensure hygienic processing conditions.
Precision weighing machines portion sugar into exact quantities for each retail or industrial package. Sensors ensure filled bags move immediately into sealing stations where heat seals close the openings.
Packages are grouped and transferred into secondary cartons by robotic arms. Cartons are formed, filled, and closed without manual handling.
Stored pallets remain under continuous environmental monitoring. Humidity sensors ensure moisture levels stay within tolerance. Air circulation prevents condensation.
Pallet 24B is verified. All documentation checked out. Ready for loading. Pallets are loaded onto outbound transport vehicles using controlled loading ramps. Vehicle interiors are dry and clean.
As the primary product is dispatched, byproduct streams are managed in parallel. Dried bagasse is conveyed.
Environmental control systems monitor emissions, effluent quality, and energy recovery processes. Data confirms compliance with regulatory standards.
End-of-shift audits review production volumes, quality metrics, and equipment performance. Cleaning in place.
The overnight logs look good, consistent conditions across the board.
Yeah, humidity levels are steady, pallets are secure.
The crystal integrity is holding up perfectly against the baseline.
Confirmed. No degradation observed.
Pick sequences adjusted. We are ready for dispatch.
In staging areas, outbound pallets are briefly held under the same controlled environmental conditions as storage.
Check this label here, Supervisor.
Okay. Lot number matches the manifest. Everything is accurate.
Transport vehicles arrive at loading bays according to scheduled dispatch times. Dock seals engage to maintain
Data transfer complete.
Roger, departing Sector 4.
As vehicles depart the factory, internal systems log shipment completion. Inventory levels adjust automatically. Factory equipment used during sugar processing enters scheduled sanitation cycles. Cleaning in place systems circulate cleaning solutions.
The laser alignment shows a slight deviation here.
Yeah, I see it. It's minimal, but we should record it.
Energy recovery systems utilizing bagasse supply steam and power. Combustion parameters are monitored for efficiency.
Molasses storage tanks are inspected for volume and quality prior to secondary processing or shipment.
Wastewater treatment systems process effluent generated during earlier stages. Biological and filtration steps ensure
Consistency in crystal size, purity, and moisture is confirmed. No deviations are noted. Findings support continued process validation.
emergencies are tested during them. Seasonal demand forecasts are updated using current production data. Planning systems adjust future vertical farm and factory tier. Packaging material inventories are reviewed to ensure readiness for subsequent production cycles.
Operator training reviews use this completed production run as a reference case. Performance metrics highlight process stability. Preventive maintenance schedules are updated based on equipment usage hours. Tasks are planned for future shutdown windows.
Sustainability metrics are calculated, including energy efficiency and water reuse. Results meet internal targets. Customer order confirmations are sent, referencing batch and quality data. Traceability links ensure confidence in product origin. As pallets reach distribution centers, arrival confirmations are logged remotely. Factory systems close shipment records. In parallel, retained samples continue long-term observation under controlled lab conditions. Periodic
looks like smooth sailing this week. The consistency numbers are exactly where we want them.
Perfect. We are clear to move forward with the next run.
Factory-wide cleaning routines maintain hygiene in non-production areas. Floors, walkways, and walls are sanitized.
Internal audits verify adherence to food safety management systems. Documentation and physical segregation are confirmed. Supplier feedback loops confirm consistency of vertical farm input quality. Data aligns with observed
The yield efficiency from the vertical farming is exceeding baseline expectations.
And the crystallization process ensures
archival systems store all digital records from this production cycle. Data is secured and indexed. Access is factory readiness checks confirm systems are prepared for the next intake of sugarcane. Conveyors, pans, and centrifuges are idle but ready.
Final management sign-off formally closes the production batch.
All quality, safety, and logistics criteria are confirmed. Documentation reflects completion.
Long-term brand quality metrics incorporate feedback from downstream markets.
The data confirms the product meets expectations.
Knowledge from this run feeds into future optimization models. Lessons learned are documented. No operational change.
The life cycle assessment confirms sustainable operation.
Excellent. The reporting is finalized.
Yes, sir.
External audits, if scheduled, reference this batch as a compliance example. Documentation supports transparency.
Package for you. Thank you so much.
The production narrative concludes with the sugar fully integrated into supply chains. Factory involvement ends.
Final verification confirms the product state as dry, free-flowing, uniform white crystalline sugar with